Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Are you ready to discover an incredible opportunity to effortlessly boost your passive income? Then, look no further as this video holds the key to just that. Chances are, you're already equipped with a smartphone or computer and have access to the internet or a data connection. And that's all it takes to embark on this exciting journey. And of course, an app or software to get you started. The link for this is conveniently provided in the description below. Your path to easy money begins now. Let me introduce you to EarnApp. EarnApp is an excellent passive income smartphone and computer application used by many, and is one of my personal favorites. EarnApp is a revolutionary platform that allows you to earn money from your unused internet bandwidth. EarnApp provides a simple and easy way to earn extra income by sharing your unutilized data bandwidth, and makes a positive contribution to society, while earning money for you at the same time. The innovative EarnApp software is available for computers running on Microsoft Windows, Apple macOS, Linux, and Raspberry Pi. It also works on mobile devices like Google Android and Apple iOS smartphones. Low-power devices like Raspberry Pi and Intel NUC provide an excellent power-to-profit ratio. So, let me help you get started on your passive income journey from your unused resources, with EarnApp. To start using EarnApp, you would need to first visit their official website by clicking on the link provided in the video description. You would need to then sign up to use EarnApp. You can seamlessly sign up using your Google or Apple accounts. You need to now download and install the application on your computer or mobile device. As mentioned earlier, you can choose from several operating systems. Thus, you have a lot of flexibility in choosing multiple devices to run and earn from. Let me know in the comment section which operating system you prefer. It will help me make more videos of passive income software and applications for that operating system. Launch the application on your computer and on your smartphone and then sign in using the Google or Apple account you provided during the sign-up process. The application takes a while to recognize your IP for internet traffic and measure your connection stability. So, if you stop sharing, you will slow down or pause your earning potential. Give it at least a few weeks before you start to see your earnings grow substantially. Your earnings directly depend on your internet connection speed and on the amount of traffic you share. The more you share, the more you earn. Remember to install the application on multiple devices on different networks or IP addresses. The more the networks and devices, the more you earn. It is important to avoid having more than one device on the same network. If you want to know how much you can earn using the application, you can get a ballpark figure by using the income estimator on their website. Your earnings may, however, differ based on several factors. So, you must be wondering, did I get paid? And the answer is yes. Here is the payment proof to prove it. So, what are you waiting for? Click the join link in the video description below to sign up. Get started on your passive income journey today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more passive income videos. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video.